Welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables on your patio space or other small area in pots or containers, whatever you like to call them. Today is just a quick update. Oh, there is a massive bee. All right, that is actually a good sign. Scared me a little bit, but this is an update on my Limequat tree that I'm growing on my patio here in Toronto, Canada. The weather has been a fantastic 30 degrees every day. That's 90-ish degrees for our American friends, and this thing is happy. It's growing it's got all kinds of new growth coming out, and here's what it looks like with the flowers. They're beautiful flowers, very fragrant, just an absolutely fantastic tree, and this is absolutely exploding. You might remember from my first video when I brought it outdoors from the inside, it had suffered a bit this winter, but this is how quickly these trees rebound. It's only been outside for about 3 months, and it is full of new growth and flowers starting everywhere. Just absolutely fantastic. And then of course our friends the bees having a great old time helping to pollinate. These are self-fertile. They don't need another tree as a pollinator, but I can tell you, when you get bees buzzing around like I've got, you get so much more fruit. Look at that little guy there, having a good time in the flowers. They love this tree because they're so fragrant, and you get so much more fruit when you do have bees buzzing around. But in the wintertime, I didn't do anything to the flowers, and quite a few of them actually became a fruit. And here's one. You can see there's multiple stages for this plant here. Let's try to get it. There we go. That's a better angle. See, that's one of the little fruits started, and way at the back we've got one that's almost ready to eat. You'll know when they're ready when they get very yellow. The peel is super sweet. You eat the whole piece of fruit. Oh my gosh, look at that massive bumblebee. Wow. These guys are my favorite because they pollinate like crazy. They're kind of lazy. They hang out in the trees sometimes, just loafing around. Let's see if I can find him again. Oh my gosh, there he is. Wow. Look at the size of that guy. And he is going to work. Oh my God. Isn't that beautiful? Whoa. We have some of the most wonderful bumblebees that buzz around this tree. My wife hates them. Oh my God. Oh, look at this guy. He is just there doing his thing. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so really big bumblebees like that, of course, they have the hairs on their back, and they really help to get these trees pollinated. Oh my God, he's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the size of this guy. They're really not that dangerous. They float around, helping to pollinate. Yeah. So, you know what? This was going to be a short video, but I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. You can tune out if you don't think the bumblebee's that cool, but I'm going to keep going. I'm going to watch this guy for a bit because, wow, look at him go. Getting right into the flower. They actually have a memory, and they're able to tell which flowers they visited. I can't remember if it's through smell, if they leave a pheromone. Maybe if anybody knows, they can share in the comments section so they know which flowers they visited, and they come back to the same plant day in and day out till they've used, they've gone through all the flowers. I'm going to stay back a bit. Never been stung by a bumblebee, but I don't imagine it feels good. But yeah, and there he is. I mean, he's just hitting every flower he can find. So I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of fruit. You'll see in an update video how many of these turn into fruit, which is really exciting. Wow, look at him go. Look at him go. And really, these plants, they need well-draining soil. So keep that in mind. I use a bit of peat moss, some perlite. Definitely need fertilizer if they're in pots and able to get, if you want this many flowers. Okay. Yeah, he's going to do his thing, and I'm going to take off. So, signing off from Potted Living, this is me.